Hello friends, today we will learn how to construct an angle congruent to the given angle without using protractor. Let us take one acute angle, name it as angle CAB. As you can see, vertex is A and sides are AB and AC. Side AB and AC are also known as arms of an angle CAB. To construct angle congruent to angle CAB which is given to us, we need to draw separate base ray PR as you have seen here of any length. Now we need to take care from point A. See here, the red point has come. From there you are going to draw an arc on angle CAB. The radius of that arc can be anything. So the pointer of the rounder will be kept at A, and you can take enough radius which can intersect side AB and side AC. Okay, the same radius without changing it at point P. Keep the pointer of an angle at point P and again draw an arc. Since I have only one side PR, so it should intersect side PR. Yes, from point P. In angle CAB, we have taken from vertex A, the arc is drawn, and the second one from point P, the arc is drawn. The next step, we will name the point on the sides of angle CAB as X and Y. Now in our rounder, we will going to measure XY as a radius. We are going to take XY as a radius. Clear? And then the point S on ray PR. As you have seen point S, we will keep the pointer at point S and cut the arc which will intersect the previous drawn arc. See here. Got it? So the intersection of the two arcs are point T. Now we got 2 points, point P and T. We can draw a ray from point P passing to T. Got it? So we got the angle TPR. Let us check whether this angle is equals to or congruent to the given angle or not. Yeah, the same angle is going and overlapping that. So it is proved that our angle which we have drawn here are congruent to each other. Take one more example of obtuse angle. So angle CAB, it is obtuse angle. Method will be same. We will take a radius in a rounder. From A point we will draw an arc. The same radius, the pointer will be kept at P and draw an arc. Now we are going to measure the distance XY from the given angle CAB with the rounder, and the pointer of the rounder will keep at point S, as you can see in the diagram, on ray PR, and cut an arc. Clear? So we got the point T now. We can draw the ray here from point P passing through T. So we got an angle TPR which is equals to angle CAB. How to verify? Just have a look. Yes, the same coming up. It is verified. So you have seen how to draw angle congruent to given angle. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you how to draw. You need to practice it, and see you with the next video.